my name is Zara Sofea. I am 7 years old. Today, I will teach you how to do a easy butterfly craft. What you need to have is a piece of paper and a scissors. First step, you need to fold the paper into a triangle and then open it and fold it to another triangle. And then open it, fold it into a rectangle like this. And then you must push the right edge to the side and the left side like this. You get a big triangle. Then fold it into a half. Make it a small triangle. And then this side, you take a scissors and then you cut a little bit into curve. You can see, and then open it, and then fold it like this. Till you get like a love shape, like this. You can see?
Yeah.
And then put your hand like this, and then at the back of the paper you push it. Press it a few seconds and then you will get a beautiful butterfly. I got another one that I made. Now I have two. You can try it at home. See you next time. Bye.